Imagine going to your doctor for treatment, trusting them with your health, only to find that the medication you have been prescribed is either the wrong one, the wrong dose, or wrong it interact badly with other drugs. You are talking medication errors are more common than we did like to think, and they can have serious consequences for our health. Today we are talking about medication error, what they are, how they happen, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself and your loved ones from them. Let's start by defining what a medication error actually is. A medication error is any preventable event that may lead to inappropriate medication use or harm to the patients. This error can happen at various stages of treatment, whether drugging, prescribing, dispensing, administering, or monitoring medication. Medication error can happen for many reasons, but there are a few common causes that healthcare providers and patients alike should be aware of. By understanding this cause, we can better protect ourselves and our loved ones from potential harm. So, what happens when these medication errors occur? The consequences can be far reaching, sometimes resulting in serious harm or even death. Let's take a closer look at the impact of those errors. Physical harm. The most obvious consequence is physical harm, such as an allergic reaction or overdose, or organ damage due to the wrong medication. Financial burden. Medication error often result in prolonged hospital stay, additional treatment, or even surgeries, which can significantly increase healthcare cost for the patient or family. Emotional and psychological toll. The impact on the patient and their family can also be emotional. Dealing with the aftermath of a medication error can cause a stress, confusion, and anxiety, and a loss of trust in the healthcare system. Type of medication errors. Prescription error. When a doctor prescribes the wrong medication, dose, or drugs. Second is dispensing error. When a pharmacy gives out the wrong medication or the wrong dosage. And administration error. When a nurse or healthcare provider and administrator medication incorrectly, such as the wrong time, wrong route, or incorrect dosage. And monitoring error. When healthcare provider fail to properly monitor the effects of medication, potentially causing harm to the patient. Medication error can happen for many reasons, such as communication breakdowns. Communication error between healthcare providers, such as doctor, nurse, and pharmacist, are a leading cause of medication mistakes. A miscommunication between the prescribing physician and the pharmacist, or between the pharmacist and the nurse, can result in incorrect medication being dispensed or administered. Second is lack of training or knowledge. Inadequate training, unfamiliarity with new medications, or even tiredness can lead to mistakes. And prescription look alike, sound alike. Sometimes drugs have names that are very similar to each other. This is especially dangerous when the wrong medication is administered because of confusing name, like lisinopril versus Lasix, both of which are used to treat different health conditions. And patient factors. Patient may also be at fault due to not disclosing all of their current medication or health condition. And environmental factors. Busy hospital environments, high stress condition, or multiple patients can lead to over stressed and errors. How to prevent medication errors? Well, medication error can be serious. There are steps you can take to reduce the risk by being protective both healthcare provider and patient can ensure that the right medication are taken, the right dosage are administered, and the right pro- procedure are followed. Clear communication. Always ensure that you or your loved ones clearly communicated at all health condition and current medication to healthcare provider. Medication list. Keep a list of all current medications, including over-the-counter drugs, supplement, and allergic. And third is second opinion and review. Before starting a new medication, especially if it is something strong or unfamiliar, seek a second opinion or ask for a pharmacist to double check the prescription. Double checking medication. If you are administering medication to yourself or a loved one, always double check the label and dosage instructions. When possible, use pill organizers to keep track or daily doses. Technology in healthcare. Many healthcare facilities now use electronic health records and automate medication management system. To do if a medication errors happens? Even with precaution, errors can still occur. If a medication error happens, it is important to act quickly. Seek immediate medical attention. If you suspect that a medication error has occurred, it is crucial to seek medical attention immediately. The longer you wait, the more potential there is for serious consequences. Report the error. Report the error to the healthcare provider, pharmacy, and the facility where the error occurred. Hospital, nursing home, and pharmacies have protocol for reporting these issues to ensure that corrective measures are taken. Consult a lawyer. If you or a loved one have suffered harm from a medication error, you may be entitled to compensation for your injuries. Consult with a personal injury attorney who is specialized in medical malpractice or medication error. Now, let's talk a look at the legal side of medication error. First is medical malpractice. Medication error may fall under the category of medical malpractice if a healthcare provider failed to follow the standard of care. If negligence can be proven, you may have grounds for a lawsuit and legal action step. Consulting with a lawyer who is specializing in healthcare law is the best first step. They can help you understand your rights, gather evidence, and file a claim for compensation. Medication errors are a serious issue in healthcare, but by being informed and proactive, you can minimize the risk. Always communicate openly with healthcare provider, keep an updated list of medication, and take action immediately if you suspect an error. Thank you for watching today's videos, and remember your health is your most valuable asset. Never hesitate to speak up and advocate for yourself and your loved ones. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to help others stay informed and safe. If you have any question or experienced with medication error, feel free to leave a comment below.